Imagine this, you're on a job site and something goes wrong. An electrical fire starts, or a client's property gets damaged during an installation. What happens next? Without general liability insurance, you're stuck covering those costs out of pocket. In today's video, I'm going to show you why general liability insurance is a must for electricians and how it can save you from financial disaster. Welcome back to the video series. Cody with Prime Risk here. General liability insurance is one of the most important policies you could have as an electrician. It's the coverage that protects you when things go wrong. And let's face it, on a job site, things can go wrong. First, let's talk about some of the most common risks electricians face. Number one is electrical fires. You're working with high voltage systems, and if something shorts out or a wiring mistake happens, it could spark a fire, and the cost to repair damage could be astronomical. But the general liability insurance, you're covered. Accidental property damage, whether it's drilling into a wall and damaging plumbing or knocking over a valuable item on a client's property, accidents happen. And general liability insurance covers these types of mishaps, saving you from a costly lawsuit or having to pay out of pocket for repairs. Another major benefit is protection from lawsuits. Let's say a client decides to sue you over damage to their property, or if someone gets injured on the job. Legal fees and settlements can cost tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes even more. And without general liability, you're responsible for footing the bill. But with the right coverage, those expenses are covered by your policy. So let me give you a couple real-world examples of how general liability insurance has saved electricians. First off, a contractor accidentally caused a fire while rewiring a commercial building. The client sued for the damage and the property and business interruption, meaning they lost income. Fortunately, the electrician had general liability coverage, which handled the legal fees, settlement costs, and the repair expenses. Another electrician was working in a client's home and accidentally damaged an antique piece of furniture while installing some lighting. The client wanted a new piece of furniture, and the electrician's insurance paid for it. Without that coverage, the electrician would have been on the hook for thousands of dollars for that piece of furniture. So you guys, general liability insurance is essential for any electrician. It's the safety net that protects you from the financial fallout of common risks like property damage or injuries. And without it, you're putting your business and your financial future at serious risk. In the next video, we're going to dive into workers' compensation insurance and why it's a must if you have employees. If you haven't yet, make sure to click that subscribe button below. Don't miss it.